Hey, it's Jacob here again. Today we're doing part two. Right off the bat, let's just dig into it. This is the email I got from the OCM for social equity verification. Thank you for your interest. Blah, blah, blah. Just pause and read it. This really isn't the meat and potatoes of what I'm trying to go through right now. Basically, it's just kind of saying who the questionnaire is conducted by. And it even says that, being verified doesn't guarantee that person will be placed into any lottery, obviously. So I edited the front end of the web page using the inspect element just to censor out my name and other details. But right off the bat, if you click the link that is here, I censored it out because I'm not sure if they're sensitive and individual to each applicant or not. So, forgive me on that, just so you know. You'll be presented with this web page with 3 parts: instructions, demographics, and then the authorizations. I gotta sneeze, give me a second. Oh. Oh, excuse me. By the way, peep the I Heart Grass shirt. Yeah, beautiful design. The heart is a nug of bud, obviously. Felt like that was appropriate. Okay, back to the matter at hand. Instructions, pretty self-explanatory. Pause and read it if you want. Here's the demographics, just a bunch of your information. It'll be highlighted red if you don't have a required section filled out. Pretty basic. This is the authorization. Read that if you want. Read the privacy policies if you want. The next section is required documentation. You have the review and sign forms header, applicant details, request copy, preview and sign forms, and then the subsections are the disclosure regarding background investigation, disclosure regarding investigative consumer report, the acknowledgement and authorization for background investigation, your summary of rights, state notices, tenant warning, data collection forms. Super fucking boilerplate, super basic stuff. You have 3 uploads here that you can utilize. My little life hack for you is if you have more than 3 documents, I had like a lot more than 3 just to be really certain. You know what they say, it's better to be over-prepared than under-prepared in a situation like this. But you can put multiple documents into a PDF and even, type up some explanatory language identifying each document if you would like. And you can put a PDF for each of these with multiple files in said PDF. So there's a little tip for everyone. Hopefully that helps. The documents will vary, and depending on the way you fill out your forms and stuff when you apply, you'll probably potentially have a different screen here because each form, the form has like all the different selections that you would select for how you qualify as a social equity applicant, whether you were convicted of a crime or live in a qualified census tract area, or if you were a vet, or if you're the farmer that qualifies. You can select each of those, and then for the documents you'd upload the relative documents. Obviously, you will then have the review and submit section where you can review and go over all the documents. I have a feeling a lot of people might skip that. I would not recommend skipping that. It's always good to know your files were uploaded correctly. Even when I went to review it the first time, I noticed some of my documents corrupted, even though they weren't on my end. When they uploaded to this portal, they did not upload in a legible manner, so I re-uploaded them. So be warned. And then when that's all said and done, congratulations, you've supplied all the required info. You can take an anonymous survey if you want. should be pretty simple. Your order is in process. It has completed 2 out of 9 searches. You can review the status here, or you will get this email that also has your link here that you can click. It's pretty straightforward. I would say if you want to be super serious, you could get an attorney to help you go over all these agreements and disclosures and acknowledgments you're signing. If you have a little bit of background reading legalese, it's pretty standard. And like I said, just make sure you take advantage of the fact that you can upload PDFs with multiple files in them. Maybe make it easy on the OCM and CSI who are going over this, and try to organize everything. Maybe one file is your tax documents, another are maybe bills that are directed to your property, another might be a record of your service or a record of your farm, or just other stuff that's relevant depending on how you qualify as a social equity applicant. It's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Don't overthink it, don't stress out, and just wait for that follow-up, and you can move on from there, and I'll upload another video once we get to that point. Please don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment at me with any questions you might have. All of that helps the channel, any sort of engagement. I'm doing all this for free to help people. I'm very excited to see this industry get started, and I'm happy to see all the social equity applicants putting in some good work to get all this figured out. It is pretty straightforward. It's basically like signing up for any other sort of documentation and background check. So if you're familiar with any of that, or familiar with any sort of like grant writing and stuff, this shouldn't be too intimidating. I'll word it that way. It shouldn't be too intimidating or frustrating for you. So once again, like, sub, share. Thanks for watching. Peace. Have a great day. Hit me with any other questions. Bye.